Hello guys, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Shiba inu warriors, it's your time, guys. It's a celebration time. Very congratulations to all Shiba inu warriors because Shiba started pumping after a long time. As you know, guys, in the previous time, Shiba inu price very badly dumps. And guys, I also predicated Shiba inu in my previous videos, guys, that the price of Shiba will pump in October, guys. So finally now you can see today is the 6th October. The price start very highly pumping, guys, and I believe, guys, that for a long time Shiba inu will continue this pumping, guys. So yeah, I just recommend for all of you to hold for a long time. If you hold for a long time, so I hope you will get a huge profit, guys. Anyways, if we talk about the right now price of Shiba, and also you can see it 0.00023 USD dollar. That is right now price of Shiba in the market. And furthermore, you can see last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 week changes occur in the Shiba. These all changes going positive in the market, guys, and I believe that for a long time Shiba will continue this pump. I love Shiba inu right now situation, guys. You can see, oh my god, just look at the latest situation pump, guys. Let me zoom it. Oh my god, I'm very excited to see this pump, guys. You know what, when I see a green candle, so I have a I I I can't believe, guys. I can't believe that Shiba Inu will this kind of pump. Oh my god. You know what? I'm holding 2.5 billion Shiba Inu, so that's why my feeling is very excited for all of you. And I hope you are also feeling very good about Shiba Inu. So that is the latest update. Now you can see the change is about 55.31% just in last 1 day, guys. Hope you are doing good. And guys, I recommend that don't decide to sell, just hold, guys, and enjoy the pump of Shiba Inu. Thanks for watching. Subscribe ABS Tech channel right now for more update and news videos.